And this washer to strip. Looks like a pretty good one actually. A nice cast aluminum mortar, which makes it nice. Almost looked like it was brand new, this thing actually. Just looking at how clean it is. Maybe I'll just whatever's easy. I'm too carried away. It's only worth so much stuff, you know what I'm saying? Even the wire, they don't pay very much anymore, so no point. The wire. Screwdriver. Hopefully it's copper. Another gas stove there, but I don't think I'll strip it. Just not a lot on it there. I'll strip a few, you know, make a video and just show people what's in there. You want to be sitting there stripping for hours, unless you know you don't only have one. Like I want to get rid of this tomorrow. All this stuff, cast aluminum here. Should come off. I think. There it is. That's exactly what I thought. I was wondering why it would be so tight. Sure looks like copper. Oh yeah, it's copper. Nice. Let's leave this on for now. Because you know when I take it apart, if I start messing with this, then it's just hard to get the copper out. So I mean, there's aluminum here, but I have to go inside and try to take out that little pin, but also a little more to here. This might be copper. Okay. Usually they don't have these reinforcing on this, but this one has it. Usually they pop out pretty easy, these mortars. It should almost come out. Not that one. Look at this one here. It's not. So usually it comes off pretty easy. Okay, it's copper. That's good. There it is. It's copper. Oh, those little, probably copper. There it is. Copper there, and then I have something here too. Another kind of mortar. It's only one, so okay. This will be copper too. Copper number 2. Copper 2, copper number 2. Okay. This is a heavy duty bracket actually. Actually not that heavy duty. Yeah, not that heavy duty usually. This one's pretty heavy duty. Crack this one open. Oh, this one doesn't have very much in it actually. Well, the other ones have a lot more. So when you cut it, it just binds. It doesn't tear it. Oh, whatever copper it is, right? That. Take these little pins out. A little bit in there. Not a lot, but you know, it's there. It's done. So not as impressive as they normally are, but still not bad. Still copper. Okay. This is copper too. Might as well do it now because otherwise it's going to be sitting. Out. Hold that. These work. Better maybe. So pretty decent dishwasher, I'll tell you, not bad. See all these loose ones from there. You know, the copper builds up, right? There it is. Okay, that one's done. Junk some of these things in there if we can. Gotta take rid of that. This one's pretty slim. Throw that one in there. Okay. Okay. Drone flying around again. Throw this dishwasher there maybe. Okay. Yeah, that's good. Okay, I'm gonna get, well, I'm gonna take it apart. Well, the stove I'm not gonna take apart. This one I'm gonna leave the way it is. See if it's stainless steel at all. Just the two handles, so you'll take the handles off it. Let me get set up. And I'll take the stove apart. The gas one, it's got quite a bit of stuff here actually. Wire and stuff, so figure I'll take a peek, because I know this one had a 220 line, which I found kind of unusual on a gas stove. So it's probably the oven is probably going to be electric, I would think. Electrical motors also. So I guess there's some value here, more than... I left the handles on. I have to take apart a lot of stuff just to get the handles off the whole face plate. I figured, you know what, I don't care. It's only like 35 cents a pound, so maybe what, $1? That's 4 wires insulated in this thing. Sometimes it's 3 and then 1 bare. It actually has 4. There it is. Don't have to worry about that little bit in the plug, huh? See that? I never worry. I'd like to get this off here. There's 2 motors actually. That's a problem. Take that off here. I can get that out. I want this one to be held maybe by this. Couple screws. Ideally, I'll take the top off, but I don't want to bother. Let me get a screwdriver. There we go. That's that one. It's starting to get dark fast. Yeah, the screwdriver is a little bit better. It's a little more force. There it is. 2 motors. 2 heavy motors actually. Okay, that's it. Yeah, hopefully the copper. Usually are, but I did come across a couple that weren't. Copper. Okay, that's done there. Not too bad. Actually got screws in there, but snaps hold pretty good, I'll tell you. Get this off pretty good. Okay. You're gonna pop that knob off and get the contact motor out. Aluminum face too. The skin. Might as well get it. Actually. Get this control out. It's got a mortar on there and more contacts. Looks like it can just pop off. That. Little contacts with that. Okay, this is good. See the mortar. Might be aluminum. I think it's aluminum. I got some white grease on my screwdriver, so it's kind of fooling me a bit here. Let me double check. I don't know, it looks like copper to me. Copper mortar. Huh. That's a copper mortar, as far as I can tell. It's going to come out. This is going to come. Cut this here. More wire. It's actually heavy duty wire. Let's see how these little ties can hold so good. Little harness here. Cut some of it off. Now the mortar has come out. Oh, let's see, 3 screws here. Noisy. Okay, we'll put a couple here. Get this out. Thought I could maybe cut it, but not really. So noisy. The bolt cutter. That's made out of steel. A few more wires. Here's that metal canal or whatever they call it. be a little more valuable. I don't know. Never saved this stuff before, but I know I see it on YouTube. HMS one guy, they save it. I don't think there's any buyers for this here. I don't know. Let's see if it's magnetic. What it is. It's not magnetic. I don't know. What do you guys think? Inconel, what do they call it? Should I save it? Is someone gonna buy it? Maybe I can throw in my copper. I don't think it's copper, you know what I'm saying? Because it's heavy, like copper, but it doesn't stick. So, you never know. Okay, I want to pull the wires out of here. 220 line. There it is. A couple extra wires. Yeah, I have my head lamp here, so too bad. Motor's already loose. It's not even, it's not copper. Yeah, you don't find copper. Copper's rare in these type of motors. Couldn't see the angle. It's aluminum. They'll pay 10 cents a pound or 11 cents a pound last time, but it's hardly really worth it. But see that? Then you get a deal taking that out, then you get a piece of plastic. Like I should just kind of dump it the way it is, but anyways, you just never know. Here's another one. Oh, it's just something to do, I guess. A little bit extra wire. That's all I have right now. I got 2 over there, and I got 2, 4, 5 here, so 7. I'm not even a full load even. And I double stack the small ones, and then put all that crap mixed in, and then some of this, a little bit of this. I was hoping to get a full load tomorrow. And no washer and dryers. I'm thinking I'm gonna hold off. The guy said it works perfectly, so we'll see. Okay, let's just do something else right now. Come out of washing machines. They're mortars, right? There's different versions. Some are wound copper. I did one like this, was aluminum. Okay, so this is what you do. See how those go that way? Hold it like that. Get yourself an axe. Just right in the middle. Crunch it. So it didn't go. It's planned, it's good, but yeah, no, this one is a little different actually, but end result is you still have to crack it. This one's a little more cold. Anyway, so this one might be copper. Okay, let's hit it again. Okay. Usually it'll come right out once an app will break. This one's actually really hard plastic. The other one's a little more softer. But anyways, you know, it was dark. I cracked the one that was really dark. Dark outside. think it's aluminum, I think. The other one came out so, one crack, 2 seconds was out. This one's stubborn. Oh well, it's always like that. Okay, it's out. So anyways, this is aluminum windings. I mean, it's got a little bit of weight to it, not too bad. It's not copper. This is something, you know, you have to check, because sometimes you just never know what you're getting, right? If you're getting copper, you don't want to leave it. I threw the other one in here already. The first one I stripped, aluminum, same kind of weight. Okay. Just wanted to show you, but usually they break, they're a little bit softer, but it's getting colder now, so I think it got a little harder, right? If you know what I mean. The weather. Okay, so I'm going to show you what we've been up to. Okay, so this is all repacked. Half have been packed already. So I'm gonna double stack that one on top of there, and then 2 more appliances here. There's still lots of room. I probably won't dump it. I'm gonna wait till it's a heavy load, packed really good. Working on here now. Taking this one apart. This one I think I got the wire already out here. Some mortar in here, but you never know. There's another copper, maybe a copper mortar here. A screwdriver. Came out really easy. For some reason it didn't, but a little mortar here. Might be copper. Pretty heavy, probably copper. Plastic. Okay, so I'm probably wrap it up shortly. It's getting too dark. But I'm going to take at least the panels off and the control switches. You know, we'll see. But I know the weather tomorrow is supposed to rain, so we'll see what happens. There's still a mortar in here somewhere. There it is, right on that side. Not going to be copper, I don't think. But anyways, okay, that's it here on this for now. See, if you stack it out really good, you know, you get some better weight. Okay, thanks for watching.